All the information we capture here in the CPT feeds into our terminal and replacement index for each of these ewes, and also into the indexes of their fathers that we're testing out on the farms. So just to go into a little bit more detail on the terminal and replacement index, the terminal index is probably a bit more easier to capture. It's based on the lamb's growth rates, how quickly you can get the slaughter, and how the lamb's survival at birth. They're probably the two main traits. So they're very easy to capture. We can capture those from year one from the ram. The trickier information we're trying to capture here in the CPT is the replacement index. So that takes a couple of years to find out, because we have to keep on a certain proportion of each of our rams. We keep on their daughters to test out on the farms as well. As you can see here then, the lambs that are born this year from last year's rams, a certain portion of them will be kept on, and they'll be going into the breeding flock again, but it'll take 4 or 5 years really before we get enough information to feed more into the replacement index. So that's one of the main focuses we have here on the CPT. So then what does the replacement index do for you? So I suppose when you're buying a ram, you'll have very little information just from viewing a ram on the replacement index. You'll have no idea how many lambs his daughters could produce for you in terms of their prolificity or their milk. You might have a better idea of the conformation of him based on his growth, linking into the terminal index. But for the replacement index, the traits give you a bit more information about the ewe. So we're out in the field here now. All these ewes are twins. These are kind of your perfect lambs, perfect ewes. There's plenty of milk in these ewes. They rank very highly in their replacement index. The milk is a very important thing. The prolificity is very important. And we also take into account all the terminal index traits for the replacement index too, because for half the lambs here will be male as well, so they'll be sold on, so we need to also include the terminal side of things. We can't go fully towards the maternal side.